Hello, welcome you all once again in this lecture series of industrial engineering. We are studying the first chapter of industrial engineering, that is Introduction to Industrial Engineering. Further, we are going to study methods of improving productivity. We have studied a definition of industrial engineering and objective of industrial engineering. We have also studied the definition of productivity and how to increase productivity. We have also studied the productivity prosperity cycle. Now we are going to study the methods of improving productivity. So there is a three kind of methods are applied in the industry. First kind of method is long-term method. Long-term method needs capital investment to improve productivity. So in this method, productivity or production rate can be increased by investing more in resources, or quality of the product can be developed by investing more in resources. There are also two long-term methods. One is research and development. We can improve productivity, we can improve product design, we can improve quality of product, we can improve production rate, we can improve resources by research and development. And research and development takes a long time to get result. Productivity can be increased by a very much effort, and we have to put more time to improve productivity by researching and by developing the design of overall system, by developing resources, by developing overall system of the production. So that is long-term method. Second is provide more improved physical means. If we can develop our resources by applying new and advanced technology, then we can also say that productivity can be increased by introducing advanced technology. We can take one example. If we are using lathe machine to turn our chop, and if we can replace the lathe by CNC, then we can say that CNC have more production rate, more qualitative production, and productivity can be increased. So it is also a long-term method to replace the existing technology with advanced technology, and it requires more capital investment. Second method is medium-term method. In this method, we require some capital investment to simplify the product and to simplify the overall production system and to reduce varieties of product. In this method, we are going to change the design of the product. We are going to simplify the product and reduce the varieties of product. If we are working on job order production method, then we are going to develop only one product for overall system. We are not going to produce varieties of product. Instead of varieties of product, we are going to focus only on one product. So volume quantity will be increased because we are focusing only on one product, and uniformity of production is also maintained under medium-term method. So now we are going to study the third kind of method, that is short-term method, and its result is very instantaneous, or we can say that result of this method is we can achieve in very short duration. So first short-term method, or we can say the first point that we need to understand under short-term method is we are going to improve organization, planning and control to achieve utilization of overall resources, utilization of manpower properly, and to maintain our production rate. We are going to improve overall production system, or we are going to improve organizational structure, our planning and control. So we are focusing on management side to if we can apply better management, then we can say that overall efficiency of plant can be increased, equipments and tools can be better utilized, manpower can be better utilized, and hence production rate will be increased or maintained. Then second thing is, we are going to improve method of operation. We are going to simplify the operation method, and that's why we are going to utilize manpower properly. So in short term method, we focus on improving the production method. So overall efficiency of the plant can be increased, utilization of manpower can be increased, efficiency of worker can be increased, and last thing is, we are going to increase efficiency of manpower by providing training to them. If we can provide their training and we to utilize resource properly to worker, then efficiency of manpower can also be increased. So short term method have focus on developing the system as a whole, not developing on particular area, but it develops resources, it develops manpower, it develops tool and equipment that is going to be utilized, and hence it results in the better quality product and better production rate. So in industrial engineering, short term method is very applicable, and we are going to study all the techniques in industrial engineering that is basically focused on short term method. So all the techniques in industrial engineering focus on short term method because it requires very less investment, but very scientific technique is we are going to study under short term method. I hope your topic is very clear to you. We will meet once again. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can type in comment box. Have a good day.